Go home, Billy. John, it's picture day. Your hair looks fine.
No, I'm messing it up.
Oh, there's a guy. Are we late? No, he forgot something, I bet. Go home, Billy. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Stop.
All right, come here.
Come on, John. No, don't get him to go too far. Come on, let's go. John. Come on. Johnny, don't. I don't want him to get lost. Come on, remember the dog was around here last time.